Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and we got another myth. I hear this all the time. Well, I'm gonna open my vents in the summer and close them in the winter in order to control humidity. Stay tuned. So is that true? Should you open your vents in the summer and close them in the winter? Well, think about this for a moment. When is the humidity the most outside? In the summer. So if you open them in the summer, you're actually allowing more humidity in. And when is the humidity lowest outside? It's in the winter. So if you close the vents, you're actually keeping the dry air out. Okay, now I do get it. You're gonna close the vents in the winter time to keep the cold out, right? So that way it doesn't freeze your pipes and all that sort of thing. But don't do it to control humidity, because it doesn't have any effect at all. In fact, what you should do is seal the vents and control the humidity with a dehumidifier year round. It's going to keep your crawl space cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, so you don't have to worry about freezing pipes and all that. So opening and closing vents during different times of the year doesn't really do anything for humidity, so we call that a big myth. Thank you. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.